Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through. Stay one more night, and I know that it's not too late. Let's make things right. You just have to believe in fate.
Hello Fatima.
Hello.
This will be a girls' night documentary. Phoebe in the kitchen. And me, I'm going to make cake.
Chioma, my love. Like every dinner time you get only 1 cup of water, because if you drink too much water you'll be full. She gives you 1 cup of water to finish your food. If it's spicy you drink, if that water finishes there's no more water.
Which we're gonna play this game. Phoebe, I see you're busy, writing, creating questions. Don't be easy on people. Go hard because no one will go easy. Nema, don't be easy on people. Okay, go hard. What is the question?
If you feel like your boyfriend doesn't care about you, she said slap. She said slap.
Okay, doesn't care about me like how?
Like he doesn't give you attention.
Yeah.
He's just like uninterested when it comes to you.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Actually.
Mm-hmm.
Hey!
What you get? Actually I'll just call him. I'll talk to him. Then we can discuss.
The question of Phoebe is how about boys who doesn't care about their girlfriends?
Like, if you don't care about your girlfriend, then just break it off with her and let her be, because there are many fish in the sea.
What's his name?
What about boys who they don't care about their girlfriend?
Why are you having a girlfriend if you're not going to care about her?
It's true, yes.
Because it's not like a bag that you buy
it's
and
not.
then it needs attention. So if you're not her, go, let her find somebody else.
Exactly.
You don't need to hold on to somebody that you don't care about. Just let her go.
Yes, it's true. So, what was your most embarrassing moment in public? What was the most embarrassing moment in public?
I was wearing heels, then I fell down, or something I was about to fall down.
It was embarrassing.
Yeah, it was.
Phoebe?
Me, I think I was walking and then it had just rained. So I slipped in the mud and I was wearing white.
Yee.
Everything covered in mud.
Whoa.
I had to walk a distance before I could go to get changed.
Yee, so sorry. For me, I think my most embarrassing moment, for those who are in Tanzania, they will know that there's a place called Kariakor. I was walking, I was in university at that time, and I fell down. I don't know how. I just found myself down on the floor, on the road, and people were just like, oh, sorry, what happened? I just grabbed my bag, my things, and I left. So it was really embarrassing. I didn't even turn back to look or anything.
Jima Silver. Ah, bana.
He's like, stop it, don't post it.
As you can see, I'm ready for sleeping with my hair. See you guys. Good night from Fatima. Good night from me. We're going to sleep. We'll see you guys tomorrow. So, what do you think about this ladies' night? Did you enjoy?
I had a lot of fun. It was good, like just hang out, only girls, talk about things girls are interested in, and just share our thoughts with each other. It was really nice, really fun. And the food was good too.
Do you want it again?
Sure, definitely. We should do it.
What do you
again.
advise girls out there? Should they do more of girls' nights? Is it a good idea? Should they have their own space and own time to chill with their own with their female
Sure.
friends?
Definitely, especially in today's society, women need to support each other.
Yeah.
So when you have a good network of female friends, then you need to be with each other. You need to communicate, share your thoughts.
Yeah.
Just girls loving girls.
Yes, exactly. Thank you so much, Phoebe. Personally, I think it was a great idea, and I would advise ladies to do this more, because it's not just about girls to meet and gossip. It's nothing about gossiping, but more about motivating each other, inspiring each other, encouraging each other, and building, educating each other. So I think it's a great idea for any married, single, in the process of getting married ladies. You deserve to have your own time with your girls, to chit chat, to connect, and get to learn more. So I hope you enjoy this video and do more of girls nights, girls out. It's a great idea, not only for the ladies, even guys as well. You can do boys night. Nema, what would you say about the ladies night? Did you enjoy? Did you like it? How was it to you?
Perfect.
Nah. How was your ladies night?
It was great, perfect, and we talked, we gave advice and everything.
Ah. Okay, what would you advise other girls to do? Would you advise other girls to do this type of girls night?
Yeah, I advise them to do that because sometimes it's a good idea, to be with your friends and cheat together.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And thank you for hosting us.
You're welcome.